I want to show you how to highlight your text in Premiere Pro. Select the rectangle tool, then click and draw a rectangle to completely cover your text. Now go over to Essential Graphics and modify the fill color to whatever you want the highlighted text. First, go to Effects and write Crop. Come back to Effect Control and click Stopwatch icon next to Right Crop. Then increase crop until your color disappears. Now expand Blend Mode and select Multiply. Then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and decrease Right Crop to reveal your text. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.